Your Pixel phone features a fingerprint unlock sensor that can be used to unlock your phone, sign into apps, or approve a purchase. On most Pixel phones, the sensor is on the lower half of the screen. On the Fold, the sensor is on the power button on the side of the device. To unlock your device, press your fingerprint firmly and evenly on the sensor. To fix issues with fingerprint unlock, first make sure you're using the same finger you used when setting up fingerprint unlock. Your fingerprint should cover the entire sensor when you scan it. Make sure your hands are clean and free of dirt or oil. If you're still having issues, you can delete your current saved fingerprint and re-enroll. Make sure to move your finger around to capture all sides of your finger. You can also add additional fingerprints to make unlocking your device more flexible. To delete your current saved fingerprint, swipe up to see your apps. Open the Settings app. Scroll down. Tap Security and Privacy. Tap Device Unlock. Tap Fingerprint and Face Unlock. Enter your PIN. Tap Fingerprint Unlock. Then tap the trash icon. Tap Delete. To add a new fingerprint, tap Add Fingerprint. To capture your new fingerprint, follow the prompts on the screen. Tap Done. If you use a screen protector to update your touch sensitivity settings, go to Settings. Tap Display, and then tap Touch Sensitivity. Turn on Screen Protector mode.